Do positive affirmations really work? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how powerful positive affirmations are and why they actually work. Stay tuned. Hey girl, I'm Nicole and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stay a while, subscribe, and click the notification bell every week on self-confidence and dating. So in my first video on how I improve my self-confidence, I mentioned that I use self-affirmations. So I thought that I should delve a little deeper in this and kind of give you guys the science on how important they are to use. Positive affirmations are phrases or statements that you make and declare to yourself. They're used to challenge any negative thoughts or negative self-talk. Positive affirmations can be really simple, and all you need to do to get started is to repeat them to yourself. Affirmations can be used to help build self-esteem or self-confidence, to help motivate you, or to help encourage you, or to improve in a certain area of your life. If you find yourself subconsciously thinking of negative thoughts about yourself or putting yourself down, then utilizing positive affirmations is perfect for you. So self-affirmations can help our self-identity. And our self-identity is something that's not fixed or rigid, but it is who we are or who we strive to be, and it can change depending on the situation. Identity is not necessarily being perfect, but being able to be competent in certain areas that we ourselves find personally valuable. So what I find valuable is not the same as another person, and so I have to find the self-affirmations that will work best for me. And so when we declare something as a positive affirmation, we're not saying, for example, I am a great mother because we want to get that praise. However, we are saying that positive affirmation because we want to deserve that praise. We want to actually be a good mother. The science behind positive affirmations is that if you take someone who regularly implemented positive affirmations after they are passed and take an MRI of their brain, the MRI would actually show changes in the neural pathways of our brain. Self-affirmations have been known to decrease deteriorating stress. It has been used in interventions to help people increase their physical behavior. Affirmations can help us to perceive things that we find threatening or negative self-talk differently. They have been linked to positive academic achievement. It can change our outlook on life. There aren't any hard rules on how frequent positive affirmations can be implemented or how often. However, some researchers suggest 3 to 5 times a day. There are also suggestions of actually writing down your affirmations or put up on a mirror or wall or any frequented place, as I mentioned in my confidence video. If you have a positive affirmation that you use daily, comment it down below so we can share. And we should also keep this conversation going on Instagram. You can find me at Xoxo. Please subscribe because in the next video, I'll be sharing my top 10 positive affirmations. Let's elevate our lives together. Later.